here's Dancer's other half. Her other half of the litter. Cutie patooties. Oh, now the first half's having a fit. Let me out, let me out. It's cleaner when they're all split up. One more week, one more week, one more week, and they're coming to your home. And you can hold and cuddle that one that wants to be held and cuddled. Whoever gets it, it's a girl. She's just dying to be held. Look at them! Sliding all over the place. Cutie patooties. Woo! Yeah, my feet are the best toys, right? Yep. That one's just spinning in the circles. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. Yes, I always forget and I'm laughing and talking on film. That one's taking a pee right next to the grate. Good job. We like it when that's right next to the grate.